So the struggle's real if you're a Shih Tzu living in a 2-story house with a queen-size mattress. The struggle's real. What are you doing, babies? What are you doing, Minnie Mouse? Minnie Mouse. Look at that. She does this stare like she has like zero reaction to you. She has this stare she does that she'll stare like she'll stare directly in your eyes for a second and then she'll look away and then she'll do this thing where she's constantly like this. And then you try to look at her in the eyes and she... One thing about Shih Tzus though is that they are known to be manipulative and they try to trick you and cause you to do exactly what they want you to do, and she does that 100% all the time with everything.
I am making some biscuits and gravy. This is actually a Paula Deen recipe, so you know it's a good classic Southern biscuit. But I actually make them gluten-free and use coconut sugar. And then for milk, I use coconut milk. Yesterday I made a big like Sunday breakfast, and this is one of the things I made because for some reason they just sounded so good, biscuits and gravy. And I made like fried potatoes and all that, and they turned out good, so we're having
It turned
it
out
good
delicious.
today.
It's totally one of my favorite things now. I love biscuits and gravy. Used to go to this breakfast place called Mrs. Q's up in Oregon.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know about this.
Yeah, it was Mrs. Q's. They had the best biscuits and gravy to this day that I've ever had.
Oh my gosh,
Love
now
them.
I want to try it.
But this totally rivals that. And if you're caught up with our videos, you know that I have an egg allergy, and Lisa makes the biscuits with no egg in it.
Yeah, there's no egg in them anyways.
Yeah.
So,
oh,
you're
okay,
good.
cool. My bad, y'all, my bad. Something else that is extremely rad, in my personal opinion. You probably know that well, if you watch our channel, you probably know that we drink Zevia, which is an alternative soda that's sweetened only with stevia. I like Zevia, don't get me wrong, but there's a brand of soda that does a similar thing, and they usually only come in bottles, like 4-pack. You get 4 bottles, it's like $6 or something. It's a little expensive, but it's called Virgil's. And they make a soda with no bad sweeteners or artificial flavors in it as well. And they just came out with 6-pack canned sodas, just probably like a month ago. And it is absolutely one of my favorite sodas ever. It's pretty cool if you can see the dude on there. He has a pretty cool style. I dig it. So this is the cola flavor. They also have root beer, they have orange soda, they have lemon lime. And another one, I can't remember what it is. These just came out, but these are so delicious. This is absolutely one of my favorite sodas ever. You have to check out Virgil's canned soda. And no, this is not sponsored. I just happen to really like it.
Middle of the road, it's just a feeling of a distant melody unknown. I was doing fine, I minded my own business till the day you took me home. You came into my life like.
By the way, I was just sharing this song with Bry, and this is like my new favorite worship song. I actually don't know if it's new or not, but it's new to me, and I love the song. The lyrics are so good. Check it out. It's an Over My Head, Crush Over Me. This is a live version by Bethel Music and Jen Johnson.
Like a sweet embrace, swept me off my feet and made me whole again. You came in my life, I wanna see your face. Never will I be the same again.
All right, folks, biscuits and gravy.
Gluten-free.
Yours is like like gravy with biscuit.
If you love gravy, then you know that there's got to be more gravy than biscuit.
Hey everyone, so it's the next day and I'm drinking my electrolytes right now. I got ready and everything. I even curled my hair. I haven't curled my hair in a while, but I wanted to try curling it because it's gotten a little bit longer than from when I first cut it. And I put on a dress. I thought I wasn't gonna wear a dress until after I'm done being pregnant right now, but I decided to just go ahead and get ready. This is a dress that Pink Blush sent me, but I think this dress is really pretty and I could wear it even after I'm pregnant too. But I did just want to say thank you to all of you that watched my 39-week update and for all the sweet comments you guys left. Seriously, that was just really encouraging to me, all of you saying that you're praying for us and for me and everything. So thank you for that. The past few days I've actually been feeling a little bit better. Which is awesome. I felt a little bit more motivated to do stuff, so that's a good sign. But today, Bry, myself, and Bry's dad, we're gonna head out to Temecula and we might go eat at Lucille's. I don't know if you have one of those where you live, but it's delicious. We love it. It's kind of like southern barbecue type food. I don't know what I'm gonna get though. We were thinking about, oh, it's dark in here. We were thinking about seeing a movie, but I think we're just gonna get a Redbox instead and come back here afterwards and watch something, which I'm actually happy about because I'm a little bit tired today because I was up last night, early this morning, and then like kind of like throughout this whole morning I've been having on and off like contractions and stuff, which is cool, but I don't know if it's like actual early labor, if it's Braxton Hicks or what. We'll see. They've been a little more intense than my other Braxton Hicks that I've had, and they, even though they're kind of like on and off, they're not like consistent or anything, so it's not like actual labor or like active labor or anything. But they still keep coming every once in a while, so it's kind of interesting. We'll see what happens. Are you excited for Lucille's?
Super excited. It's like one of my favorite places now, that meat platter.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And look at these flowers that came to our door today. These are from my cousin Shannon. She sent me these as a little encouragement at the end of for the end of my pregnancy, which is really sweet. I was totally surprised and they're beautiful. Puppies are inside. Are you guys excited for your baby brother to come? Hmm? You don't know what's about to hit you. Yeah, you got a baby brother on the way.
You're gonna be an afterthought.
Oh gosh. Minnie, you never do that.
Buddies.
Are you a little howler?
Good boy. You know, I wonder if he screams because we taught him to scream when he was so young.
Probably. I remember like we posted a video on Instagram of him doing it and people thought it was adorable, but then some people were like, you're gonna regret that later. And we kind of do. Literally, he like will scream and cry anytime we leave the house, or if somebody comes over and visits and they leave. It's really crazy. It's gonna be fun when the baby's here. I've been telling him that he's not gonna be the baby soon, so he has to be a good example and can't be crying anymore because there's gonna be a new baby in town and you have to be a good example.
You little crybaby. Oh.
By the way, we're totally those people that care way too much about their dogs. And we got this set of 3 toys from Costco. And when we bring baby home, we're gonna give them each a toy as if it's from the baby so that they can develop a good relationship. What is she doing?
Babies? Babies?
Soon we're gonna have a little baby behind us. Right here.
So excited.
His car seat's in place and everything.
Lisa thinks it's gonna happen like right now. Oh my goodness, this place called Dough.
Dough Creamery.
We just discovered it. We've never eaten here before because we didn't eat this kind of stuff. And we still don't, but we're just treating ourselves because we're about to have a sign.
Except this stuff.
But this place, explain it to me.
Okay, so it's ice cream and then you get a scoop of cookie dough on top and they have all different flavors. I got churro ice cream and then snickerdoodle cookie. And Dad got strawberry cheesecake ice cream with, I think it's brownie chocolate chip cookie dough or something like that. But it's so yummy. Hey everyone, so today is Thursday and we're heading off to my 39-week appointment. I'm 39 weeks, 5 days, so 2 days until my due date.
So excited. I was so hoping that like you would come before your due date, but it looks like it's not gonna be.
Yeah, unless it's a day or two, but.
What if he comes like 2 weeks late?
I mean, anytime, whatever the best time is, but I really want him now. I don't know if I could handle this.
For another 2 weeks,
Yeah.
just going, oh, it's gonna be any day.
Well, not even just that, just feeling so uncomfortable. Like I have to get up so many times during the night to go to the bathroom, and every time I get up, it's like an ordeal. Like it's not like I can just get up and go to the bathroom. I have to like do this thing where I roll over and it like takes forever to get out of bed and then to get back into bed. Maybe this will be our last appointment.
I think it will be.
I kind of feel like it will be too. My hubby knows how to treat me for lunch.
That's for dang sure.
With Chick-fil-A.
Now I'm trying to find a shady spot so my baby stays cold.
My appointment went well. His heartbeat sounds good. She said he sounds happy.
Healthy.
And she also checked my cervix to see if I was dilated at all. I'm not really dilated that much. She said I'm only like a ½ centimeter, but she said I'm 70% effaced and that he's really, really low. So she's like, that's really good for now. So they were basically just saying, you can like...
She could like fill his head in there?
Yeah, she was saying like, you can do stuff to like induce and try to get labor going because he's like really far down. So
we went and bought some clary sage oil.
Because they said I could do that.
I'm really hungry, you guys.
Yeah.
Lisa's trying to vlog and I'm angry.
Hangry. Let's eat.
Well, I thought I knew what life was all about. That song